I will show you how to enable 2FA in Fortnite. First, open Epic Games on your PC. Don't forget to log in first. Go to the right part. Click this. Click Account. It will automatically switch to web browser. Once you are on this page, select Password and Security, then click Continue. If you want to enable this feature, you must verify the code via your email. Enter the 6-digit code in your email. After that, select 3 options for how to enable authentication. There are 3 ways: via application, email, and SMS. This time I choose email. Click Setup. Then you are asked to re-enter the 6 digits in your email. After this is successful, congratulations, you have successfully authenticated your account.
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.